So hi guys, this is Christine again from Mitsubishi Abad Santos Manila branch, and for today's video I'll be sharing with you the 2025 Expander GLX manual transmission. So yes guys, GLX automatic transmission. So ito yung pinaka base variant when it comes to automatic transmission natin in Expander. So ayan siya, nasa likuran natin. Yung color na ipapresent ko sa inyo is graphite gray metallic. So, yung available colors lang naman na pwede nating pagpilian when it comes to Expander GLX is the graphite gray metallic, sterling silver, and the jet black mica. So, yes guys, yung sterling silver and the jet black mica is only available for the GLX variant. So, tara guys, samahan nyo ako panoorin nyo yung video na to just in case na interested kayo mag-avail ng ating 2025 Expander GLX Automatic. So guys, this is the 2025 Expander GLX Automatic Transmission. So as you can see, naka-dynamic shield design concept pa rin naman tayo. And ito yung itsura ng kanyang front grille. Ayan. So, naka-honeycomb design siya. And pagdating sa lighting system niya guys, meron tayo ditong position lights. Ayan, or position lamp. So, hindi po siya DRL. Just to make clear to everyone. Then, yung ating headlight is naka-halogen siya. Multi-reflector halogen headlight. Pagdating naman sa fog light guys, even base variant, naka-halogen fog light tayo. Or, equip pa rin siya ng fog light. Ito naman tayo sa side, meron tayo dyang 17-inch na two-tone alloy wheels. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Tire size niya 205/55 R17. Then, naka-disc brake sa harap, drum brake sa likod. So, ito yung side view ng ating unit. Minimum ground clearance for the Expander is 225 mm. So, if ever na dadaan kayo sa medyo bahang lugar, hindi kayo magwo-worry dahil mataas po yung ground clearance nitong ating Expander. So, going back guys, yung ating side mirror, naka-ano siya, body color with integrated turn signal light. Pagdating din sa door handles natin guys, naka-body color din siya, hindi siya naka-keyless operating system, pero meron siyang remote key. So, pasok tayo sa loob. Ayan. So, dito muna tayo sa driver side. Naka-power windows with central door lock na tayo. Then, meron na rin tayo ditong controls ng ating mga side mirror left and right. Naka-tilt and telescopic adjustment siya. So, ayan. Pwede nyo siyang adjust. Depende sa preference nyo. So, lock nyo lang. Ayan. Ito po siya guys. Ha? Ito yung pang-lock. Yan. So, tara, dito tayo sa loob. Tayo, 3-spoke urethane. So, equip pa rin naman siya ng mga controls dito para sa ating multimedia system. We also have here the voice command function, hands-free button, and sa kabilang side, even base variant, meron pa rin tayong cruise control. So, pagdating sa meter cluster, ayan guys, naka-analog pa din siya. Then, infotainment system, even base variant, equipped ng Apple CarPlay with Android Auto. So, kailangan lang natin dyan mag-connect ng data cable. Air conditioning system naman natin, guys, is naka-knob type. Ayan. So, ito yung para sa tama ng hangin. Then, ito naman sa fan speed and yung ating thermostat. Meron din tayo ditong USB port and outlet. So, by the way, yung Expander natin ngayon na pinapresent is a 4-speed automatic transmission. Ni-retake ko kasi to guys kasi akala ko manual yung binivideo ko. Hindi ko kasi tinignan yung loob. So, sa GLX guys, naka-conventional pa rin tayo na handbrake compared with the GLS na naka-electronic parking brake. So, meron tayo dalawang cup holders and meron tayo ditong, ayan, pero wala siyang armrest. So, ayan. Yung ating pala guys, what do you call this? Seat material is high-grade fabric. Hindi siya naka-leather seat. So, that's all. Pasok tayo sa second row. Fuel tank capacity is 45 liters. Ayan, ito yung second row. Sobrang plain niya lang naman. Ayan, ito yung seat material natin. Then, wala rin siyang USB port dito. Ayan. Pero meron din naman siyang mga aircon vents here. So, if ever, hindi naman maiinitan yung inyong mga passengers. So, this is a 7-seater na MPP. So, ayan. Ito yung kanyang rear view, guys. So, let's check. Meron na rin siyang guys, reverse camera. Hindi ko siya mabubuksan kasi nakalock pala. So, ayan. Na-fold and tumble yung ating second row, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. So, kung gusto nyong pumunta sa third row, ito lang yung ayan, guys. Then, pwede nyo na siyang iangat. Ayan. So, even babae, madadalian lang gamitin tong expander. Napaka-user-friendly niya rin naman. And madali siyang gamitin. Mostly, ginagamit yung expander natin sa Grab, lalo na yung mga base variant. So, there you have it, guys. This is the 2025 Expander GLX Automatic Transmission. So, very quick review lang ito. Para sa mga gustong mag-avail, it retails for 1,128,000. And for the in-house financing, pwede nyo akong i-message para sa ating mga offers. Ayan. So, just in case gusto nyo mag-avail ng any Expander variant or any Mitsubishi units, just let me know in the comment section below. Or pwede nyo akong tawagan, guys, sa aking mga contact numbers indicated dito sa ating screen. So again, guys, this is Christine Salazar, your sales executive here in Mitsubishi Abad Santos, Manila branch. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!